What's up guys, welcome back. So one of my favorite things that I actually like to do on the channel is test out different cars. In doing so, I actually see a lot of cool things that I wish I could have captured for you, and at the same time I see a lot of unpleasant things such as distracted drivers. You never know when someone is gonna run a red light, or you never know when someone is gonna brake check you, and even worse, you never know when you might actually get into a false insurance claim. And so that's why you need a 4K dash cam, and not just that, you need a really good dash cam, and that's where this guy comes in. This one is actually very different from your traditional typical webcam. It has exceptional image quality with dual channel recording, able to record native 4K resolution at 60 fps. The front camera of this 70mm 4K Omni is equipped with Sony Starvis IMX67 technology. It's also equipped with My Color Vivid Plus solution and 70mm Night Owl Vision for enhanced visibility. Since this device is actually able to rotate 360 degrees, that means if you are actually parked, it has the intelligent parking surveillance with AI motion detection, with the ability to ensure smooth rotation and accurate object following. There's so many things I can really talk about this 70mm 4K Omni HDR set. Maybe the fact that it automatically activates the front and rear camera when it detects a collision, or maybe the fact that it has a super capacitor for extreme weather condition. And quick disclaimer, 70mm actually did send this to me to be able to show you the cool features that it has, and they sponsored this video as well, but the opinions and testing are of my own. So if you were to go out and buy the 70mm 4K Omni HDR dash cam that I have right here, this is what you get in the box. Everything you need to get set up is available in the box. This is the box that the dash cam comes in. You get the dash cam itself that you see right here. You also get the power cord, which is long enough for you to be able to connect it to the power source and the dash cam. You get the car charger as well. It's labeled to tell you where to plug the 70mm 4K Omni. You get the mount, which is pre-installed on the dash cam as well. You also get two electrostatic stickers and an adhesive sticker. You get the wiring trim too, a user manual. You also get a micro SD card for you to be able to record the footage, and in the rear camera package you get the rear camera itself and the rear camera wire. There's also an optional hard wire kit that you can purchase for the 70mm 4K Omni that you can use if you don't want to use the small car charger to hardwire your dash cam so that it will always have constant power going to it. I also got the 70mm CPL filter. This is a polarized filter that you can install on the front of your dash cam. It simply just attaches like this, and the lens is pretty cool. You can actually remove it like this and retouch it like that, or you can replace it since it's magnetic. Pretty cool. And if you're worried about the hard wire draining your battery, this camera actually has the ability to monitor your battery voltage, and you can set the level that you want it to monitor for. So if it's 12 volts or 24 volts or among the other option, it can monitor for that, and when your battery drops to a certain voltage, then it will completely isolate itself, which is a pretty unique feature. Installation process of this dash cam is pretty simple and straightforward. You just make sure that you have a power source to your camera, or if you're doing it in your car, you just need to make sure you are parked safely, connect it to a power source, and then insert the micro SD card into the dash cam and scan the QR code that's found on page 38 to download the 70My app in order to get set up. I found the setup process to be really simple and straightforward, and at the same time you might actually see that there's a new firmware version available for your camera that you can install. Once your dash cam is all set up and ready to go, you can now begin installing the dash cam on your windshield. Find a appropriate position where you can install the dash cam near the center of the review mirror or on the front of the passenger seat. The next thing you want to do is to clean and dry your windshield so that there is no liquid left over, and then you want to attach the electrostatic sticker on your selected area. And now you can remove the protective film from the double-sided tape on the mount, and you can now paste the dash cam on the electrostatic sticker. Keep in mind that the adhesive does take some time to stabilize, so keep it it still for some time. That's how simple it is to install the front dash cam. Now to install the rear camera, it's pretty much the same process. Find a recommended good installation area, clean the installation surface of the rear windshield, and attach the supplied electrostatic sticker of the rear camera to the installation position, and then remove the protective film of the double-sided tape on the rear camera and stick the rear camera onto the electrostatic sticker on the rear windshield. Don't forget to press the rear camera against the rear windshield to secure the camera in place. The next step is actually pretty simple, which is to connect the dash cam using the supplied power cable. Then you run it accordingly to the supplied cigarette lighter socket, and after that you can connect the supplied rear camera signal cable to the rear camera. For me, in this specific car, this is how I chose to power up my dash cam. So I have these USB ports that always have power whether the car is on or off, but if you don't have ports like these in your car, you can use the supplied car charger and plug it in your cigarette lighter, and then you can run the cable similarly to what I did. I just went underneath and then besides the dashboard and up the screen, and now that's how it powers my dash cam. To connect the rear camera, I basically just connected the supplied rear camera signal cable to the rear camera cable, and this is the route that I chose to take. Now the camera can actually be tilted once it's already been mounted, so you just have to find the appropriate angle. And also, if you twist this clockwise this way, you have the ability to detach the camera or the dash cam itself from the mount, and then to attach it, it's pretty easy. And also at the same time, the rear camera angle can be adjusted to find what's optimum or best for you. You can also get the 4G hardwire kit for this dash cam, so that wherever your car is, you have the ability to always see live footage from it. At the time of recording, I don't have the 4G parking monitor cable as it's not yet supported in Canada where I'm based, but in many parts of the world it's actually available, and you can pick it up and be able to remotely monitor your car whether you are close by or far away, and you can pretty much do a 360 view from any location. And one of the unique things that this dash cam has is its ability to rotate 360 degrees using its gimbal, and it's one of the first things that it does upon startup. I don't know if you've noticed this, but sometimes dash cams will claim to have 4K Ultra HD resolution, and then when you try and use them, the resolution is just like 1080p or maybe even worse. But this one, I'm happy to say that it lives up to its name. You can see the 4K Ultra HD resolution that it has is amazing, and it's all thanks to the new Sony Starvis 2 technology that delivers amazing clarity, especially in various different lighting conditions. So if you are in low light, you can see it performs really good, or if you have a lot of backlight, it doesn't lose the details and is able to capture everything. On top of that, this 70mm dashcam is equipped with Lumi Vision, which is activated when parking surveillance is enabled, and it has the night owl vision, which enhances night footage by improving clarity, exposure balance, color saturation, and light glare control, ensuring better visibility in low light. The 70mm 4K Omni dashcam also has an upgraded AI motion detection 2.0 that comes with 4 sensitivity levels in the application that you can change for tailored activity detection and reduced false triggers. Some people are actually hesitant or worried about having devices that have lithium-ion batteries in them, especially on the dashboard, because sometimes it gets really warm, especially in extreme weather conditions. But this 70mm 4K Omni actually has a supercapacitor inside, so not only is it reliable, but it's safe, and you don't have to worry about it in extreme weather condition or worry about it overheating. Now, this that you see right here is real footage from this dash cam. You can see the watermark right there, captured by the 4K Omni in 4K 60 FPS. And the reason why this is important to record sometimes in 60 frames per second, at high speeds you need the high refresh rate in order to see information or fast moving objects. So this camera has the ability to capture in 4K 60 frames per second. This is how this dash cam would look in a typical daylight backlighting. in an area where sometimes it's always raining, this dash cam also has the ability to capture footage. Or if you are going in a direction that's where the sun is always coming from, because of its HDR capabilities, it won't lose details and will be able to capture all the details. And at the same time, if you're driving at night time, or if you are driving under tunnels or in dark environments, the footage that you are going to capture is going to be really good and usable. The Lumi Vision technology that this dash cam has is really good. So during parking surveillance in dim environment, like for example, if you parked under garages or underground, or if you are parked on a pitch black street at night, it has the ability not to only brighten the scene, but to also capture important details that you can use. Now, with parking surveillance and 4G connectivity, since this device has AI motion detection, and depending on the sensitivity level that you set, if something suspicious is happening and it feels like it needs to notify you, you'll get the notification regardless of whether you are close or far away from your phone. This is a typical SIM card that you can purchase on Amazon and be able to use it with the 4G connectivity. You'll be able to receive real-time notifications and video uploads even when you are away from your car. A pretty cool and safe thing that this device has is the battery voltage monitoring, with the ability to provide live battery status update around the clock. You can set the 9 levels of battery intelligence protection designed to prevent battery drain, including automatic power off when the voltage drops too low, giving users the peace of mind ensuring that their car battery remains protected during extended parking surveillance. This dash cam can also be controlled using your voice. So if I say, for example, take photo, you notice the screen takes a photo right there. And at the same time, if I say turn off audio, it turns off the audio. If I say, for example, capture left, you notice it turns and looks on the left hand side. And if I say capture right, it turns and looks on the right side. So if someone on the right hand side is flipping me off, then I can be able to get them good just like this. If I say capture inside, you notice it turns and looks inside just like this, which is pretty cool. And these are just a few of the many voice commands that this dash cam can do. Basically, that's the 70mm 4K Omni Dashcam HDR set. This one redefines the way dashcam works with the super high-res 4K HDR video that it's able to capture, with the ability to rotate 360 parking surveillance. It has the AI tracking, it has the super capacitor, 4K connectivity, and the list goes on and on. So you don't want to be caught in a situation where if you are maybe involved in something bad and it's your word against whoever that you are involved with, that sometimes might not always turn out to be the best. But if you have this dash cam, you will always be able to capture if it's the plate of the car in an incident, or if it's amazing things that you see as you're driving. You have the ability to do that. Not to forget that you have the ability to actually control this device just using voice prompt. You can say a vast majority of prompts to get it to do certain functions, which is pretty cool. So definitely do check out what this 70mm 4K Omni Dashcam can do for you with its next level performance. I will leave links in the description of this video that you can use to be able to take advantage of the spring sale that's currently ongoing. Also, don't forget to take advantage of my discount code 4K Omni half to get the CPL for free when you add the 4K Omni and the CPL to your cart, and get a great deal for yourself. So that's about it for me. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.